Good morning. So I am doing the demonstration with the Galvanic spa. So this is a pre-treatment. So this is the gel, and I'm just going to do half my face just now. So you want to get it on your face. That's about half, isn't it? Right, so this is, as I say, the pre-treatment job. So think about this as a cleansing stage, all over the skin. Right, so make sure you've got that nice and even all over your skin. So that's the head. I should have actually showed you that. So it just clicks on. It comes with your 4 heads. I'll talk about that in a wee minute. I don't want that to dry in. So first of all, you're going to put it on setting 1. Can you see that? It's setting 1, and that's going to run for a couple of minutes. Make sure you wet the back of that and your hand is wet, because obviously we're working on conductivity. So put it onto the skin. You'll hear some bleeps. That's to make sure it's working okay. I'm just going to stimulate the lymphatic drainage quickly, but basically your beeps are adjusting. The current has got a self-adjusting in it. That's how it's so special, so it can see what your skin needs on the skin. So as I say, this is a clear gel, and think about it as cleansing. So it's got a negative current in it, and what that's doing, it's pushing this gel into the deeper layers of the skin, and it's breaking down all the kind of debris, dirt. It's deep cleaning the pores. Anything that's been compacted in the pores for a long time, that will soften and emulsify. So sometimes when you do this treatment, your gel maybe turn a wee bit milky, and that's perfectly fine. That's you getting a really nice cleanse. Now you want to really do a nice kind of a movement here, not too slow and not too fast, but you want to kind of target all the areas and push, as I say, this active ionized. So it's negatively charged, so basically it's pushing everything deep into the pores, and as I say, it's going to emulsify and break down the kind of a dirty fat that's in the pores, cleanse out the pores, and it always works to what your skin needs. Now, a top tip for you as well is actually drink a glass of water before you start, because the more hydrated you are, the better the current will run through your skin. And obviously I cleansed with my Lumi Spa and finished off with my toner before I did this treatment. So you obviously want to make sure your skin's clean, because if it's trying to get through all the dirt, oh, you hear that's a bleep over. So you can probably see it is a wee bit emulsified, a wee bit fatty looking. The gel is turned a little bit. Right, so then what you want to do is you want to get a nice clean towel, and we're wiping that off. We don't want that sitting on the skin, because that's dirt that's coming out. So make sure you get it. See, nice and clean. So make sure you clean the top as well of your unit. Make sure that's all nice and clean. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go on to the active stage. So let me prep this first. Just going to get this on my skin. Make sure you get it all nice and even. Avoid your eye area, avoid the lips and your eyelids. You don't want to go for your eyelids. You can go around this area, but not over the eyelids. That should be done. Now you want to make sure you're not hitting any dry spots, because it'll be sensitive to your skin. You don't want any dry areas. So what to do is give your skin a little spray. You can use water, but your moisture mist has got hyaluronic acid, so it holds the moisture a lot longer. Then your second one is going to be number 2, and that's going to go for 3 minutes, right? So it's the same again. So we'll pop it on the skin, you'll hear the bleep. Right, so this is the treatment, kind of a part of it. This is the anti-aging part. So now that our pores are really broken down, all that oil and fattiness is kind of a broken down. This is doing 2 actions. The first one is it's pulling all the kind of a fatty deposit, anything that's left over that we didn't get the first time round, that's pushing that. So you're going to pull all the impurities out over the skin, but what we're also doing is we're pushing the age lock technology into the skin. So the age lock technology is what sources and targets the source of aging. It's a special gene that we've all got in our skin that actually targets our collagen and causes us to age. So we're actually targeting that to slow down that aging process. And we're using a nice kind of a lifting movement. You're not pushing really hard, you're just keeping it nice. But what we want to do is give this forehead a nice massage and on our 11s, because this muscle here, your front muscle, that kind of shortens over time, and we really want to relax that and elongate it to even out. And well, basically it's a wrinkle iron, so we're ironing out these wrinkles on our forehead and smoothing that muscle, so we're helping it relax, and the galvanic current is doing that. It's working to soothe, calm. It's also encouraging your blood flow, so it's bringing all the nutrients up to nourish that muscle, the skin, the tissue, to help repair. It is a brilliant treatment, it really is. It's a must-have if you want to have an anti-aging without kind of a surgery or injections, or even if you do and you want to treat your skin in between it, it's the best treatment possible. Galvanic's been around for like 8 years, and it's FDA approved as a medical unit, so it's absolutely fabulous. You will notice a big difference in your skin, and you will feel a difference. And you're just smoothing away while you're pushing the active ingredients into the skin. It's a lovely wee treatment. So you would do this initially 3 times a week for 4 weeks, then you can cut it down and you would do it twice a week ongoing or once a week ongoing. Now this treatment in the salon, that's it finished, you can see, so it's great. So what I normally do is I just keep it in, I give it a wee massage before I take it off, because it's got all the goodness in there. You can actually see the difference straight away with my face. You can see that that's definitely lifted along here, and my eyes lifted. You can see the forehead as well. So you can definitely see a difference straight away. So you can tell the side I've done. So you really want to encourage the products deep into the skin and leave it on for a little minute. Then what you would do is you would just wash that off, rinse it off, and then what you would do is you would put your normal routine on, so whether that be your serum and your moisturiser or whatever you wanted to do, and don't forget your eye cream. So I hope that's been beneficial. I know a few of you have been waiting for this wee video for a while. You've bought your unit and you've been like, Helena, can you do me a wee demo? So I hope that really helps. Now if you've got any questions or if I've missed anything out, let me know and obviously I'll answer them. And if you are interested in the unit, the special price is still on. So you can let me know in the comments or send me a little DM, and I can talk you through it, and we can go over anything that you want to go over then as well. Alright, so I hope this has been really helpful for you, and I shall speak to you soon. Have a lovely day.